Scott Large on the 6, David Mejia on the 7, Larry Langen on the 8, Josie Padish on 9, Rodele Torres on the 10, Don Large 11, Bart Farubel on the 12, and Carlos Martinez on the 13. Live. Drivers ready. Marshals ready. Less than 5. Here we go. Rookie Etruggy presented by Orlando Collision Center. A-main number 1. Underway. Oh, Marshall right here, bucket 6. Is there nobody on bucket 6? Who's supposed to be on bucket 6? Carl Lebo, bucket 6. Where's Lebo? He's at 7. So who's supposed to be on 7? Tony Rivas, bucket 7. Okay, thank you, buddy. So Hayden's going to hop in there. Tony, you're on 8. Who's supposed to be on 8? Eduardo, supposed to be on 8. Oh, Lord. Well, there's a marshal there now. Thank you, Hayden. All right, guys, 1 down and 7 to go. 1 down, 7 to go. Remember, guys, even if you break in your race, don't be that guy and just bail on turn marshaling. That's not cool. Only jerks do that. You've got to go turn marshal regardless of how bad your race was. You've still got to go turn marshal at the bucket you're supposed to. So it is Joseph Ruggiero out front. Mike Wolford in that number 2. AJ Reynolds in the 3. Battle for the lead coming onto the front double-double. Looks like Mike Wolford making the pass. Lance McDonald, if you are nearby, sir. No rush, but if you could come to timing and scoring just when you get a second. Lance a lot. So Mike Wolford, currently your race leader. Joseph in that number 2. AJ, Mike going to get a bad bounce here at the stairs. That's going to let Joe and AJ by. Infield left-hand side of the track. Coming onto the front double-double, your leader, Joseph. Pink, black, gray, checkerboard, TLR. On the right-hand side of the track, followed closely by the all-yellow Techno of AJ Reynolds. 1 and 2 on the left-hand side of the track. Up and over the bat double-double. Man, it's getting really gnarly at the approach of that first double-double. Going to be coming up on some lap traffic here at the infield section. Solid yellow is second place. Now they're going to be coming up on the bat side of Larry on the front double-double. But it is Joseph Ruggiero, your race leader, coming onto the straightaway. AJ Reynolds, solid yellow in that number 2 spot. Mike Wolford holding on to the number 3. Mike Swan in the 4. Mike Diaz 5. David in the 6. Rodele 7. Josie 8. Don 9. Scott 10. Larry 11. Bart 12. And Carlos rounding out the field. 3.5 down. 4.5 to go, drivers.
Four minutes left.
1 second, guys. Doing some adjustments here. That's too much. Nope, that ain't right. I'm trying to get Bill's...
3 minutes left.
All right, guys, we are 5.5 down, 2.5 to go. It is AJ now to the top of the board. Joseph right behind him in the 2. Mike Wolford in the 3. Perfect. That's where he is. Thank you. Just make sure his points are good. Thank you, buddy. You got to learn this beta stuff. Alrighty, guys, sorry about that. So it is AJ now with a 3-second lead up on Joseph.
2 minutes left.
Mike Wolford in that number 3 spot. Mike Diaz 4. Mike Swan in the 5. Okay. Yeah, a lot of them. All righty, guys, got 1:30 to go. It is AJ now with only a 2.3 second lead as he's getting clobbered by lap traffic on the backside. I was in the middle of changing my batteries in my microphone here. As your race leaders trying to make their way through lap traffic, purple, pink, and checkerboard is the race leader. Solid yellow is in second. So traffic, give these guys plenty of room so they can race it out.
1 minute left.
As Joseph now moves back into the race lead, AJ in hot pursuit. AJ still holding on to the number 2, got a comfortable lead up on the 3rd spot with right at 45 seconds to go. Got a long lap for David and a long lap for Don. Thirty seconds to go, guys. It's Joseph, AJ, Mike, and Scott Large now into the top 5. There goes your leader across the line. Last time by the line was 5.5 seconds. AJ. Oh, AJ caught on the pipe on the infield of straightaway. And the clock has expired, guys. Finish the lap you are on. Mike Wolford going to come home in the 3. Mike Diaz in the 4. And A-Main number 1 goes to Joseph Ruggiero. And rookie Etruggy. AJ Reynolds going to come home in that number 2 spot. And Scott Large going to get a top 5 with a wardrobe malfunction.
AJ Reynolds done.
Racing back to the line, guys. Racing back to the line.
Larry Langen done.
Just waiting on Rodelay. There's Rodelay waiting on Josie. There's Josie. How about Don, David, Carlos, and Bart?
David Mejia done.